Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into building a business from the ground up. We're breaking down the 8 essential steps to turn your dreams into reality. No BS, just pure, actionable advice. Let's go! Let's kick things off with the foundation of any successful business, the idea. It's the spark that ignites the flame, the seed that grows into a towering tree. Without a solid idea, even the best execution will fall flat. Ideas are like opinions. Everybody's got one. But not all ideas are created equal. Some are fleeting thoughts, while others have the potential to change the world. But the difference between a good idea and a game changer, that's where the magic happens. It's about finding that unique angle, that twist that makes your idea stand out from the rest. Start brainstorming, write down every thought, every crazy concept. Don't filter yourself at this stage, the wilder the better. Sometimes the most outlandish ideas can lead to the most innovative solutions. Look for ideas that solve a problem, that fill a gap in the market. Think about the pain points people face daily. What frustrates them? What could make their lives easier? What are people craving? What do they need but don't even know they need yet? That's where the gold is. It's about anticipating needs and being ahead of the curve. Find that intersection between passion, problem solving, and market demand. When you align these 3 elements, you're not just creating a product or service, you're creating a movement. You're on your way to something special. Remember, every billion-dollar breakthrough started as a simple idea. Nurture it, refine it, and watch it grow. You've got your million-dollar idea. Now it's time to understand your market. This isn't about guesswork, it's about cold, hard data. Who is your ideal customer? What are their pain points? Get online, stalk your competition, ethically of course, read customer reviews, join Facebook groups, and listen to podcasts in your niche. The more you understand your audience, the better you can tailor your product or service to meet their needs. Knowledge is your secret weapon. I know what you're thinking. Business plans are boring. They seem like a tedious task that only adds to your workload. But a well-crafted business plan is like a GPS for your business. It guides you through the rough terrains and helps you navigate the complexities of the business world. It keeps you on track, helps you secure funding, and forces you to think through every aspect of your venture. From financial projections to market analysis, it covers it all. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, would you? Just like a house needs a solid foundation, your business needs a solid plan. Your business plan outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. It includes financial projections, everything you need to convince investors and stakeholders of your vision. Keep it concise, focused, and real. Avoid fluff and stick to the facts. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan as you go along. Flexibility is key in the ever-changing business landscape. The business world is constantly changing and you need to be flexible enough to adapt. Embrace change and use it to your advantage. It's your roadmap to success. With a well-thought-out business plan, you're not just planning to succeed, you're planning to thrive. Let's talk about the F word, funding. It's the lifeblood of any business, the fuel that keeps the engine running. Without it, even the best ideas can wither away. Starting a business takes capital, but there are more ways than ever to secure the funds you need. From traditional bank loans to modern crowdfunding platforms, the options are vast and varied. Bootstrap as much as you can. This means using your own savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and being frugal in your operations. Get scrappy, get creative, and stretch those dollars. Think outside the box and find innovative ways to make your money go further. Once you've exhausted your own resources, explore other options. Angel investors, venture capitalists, and even government grants can provide the boost you need. Crowdfunding. There's a whole world of possibilities. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise small amounts of money from a large number of people. You need to have a killer pitch, articulate your vision, market opportunity, and plan for success. Make sure your passion and commitment shine through. Rejection is part of the game. Don't let it discourage you. Instead, use it as a learning experience. Use it as fuel to refine your pitch and strengthen your business plan. Each rejection brings you one step closer to success. The right investors will see the value in your vision. They will understand your potential and be willing to take a chance on you. Hustle, network, and don't be afraid to ask for the money you need. Your determination and persistence will pay off in the end. You can't build an empire alone. You need a team of rock stars who share your vision. Hiring is not just about skills, it's about finding people who fit your culture and share your values. Skills can be taught, but attitude is everything. Look for people who are hungry, eager to learn, and willing to go the extra mile. Empower them, trust them, and give them the freedom to do their best work. A strong team is the backbone of any successful business. It's time to start building. This is where your ideas take shape and become a reality. Product development is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment and test and pivot based on feedback. Start with a minimum viable product. Get it into the hands of your target market quickly. Get feedback, iterate, and keep improving. Don't get so caught up in trying to create the perfect product that you never actually launch. Keep iterating until you've created something truly special. You've got a killer product and a solid team. Now it's time to tell the world about it. The marketing landscape has changed dramatically. It's all about content, community, and connection. Create content that provides value, educates, entertains, or inspires your target audience. Use social media to engage with your audience authentically. Build relationships, provide value, and become a trusted resource in your niche. Marketing is about starting a conversation. Listen to your customers and build lasting relationships. You've put in the work, built an amazing product, and have a solid marketing plan. Now it's time to launch. But remember, launching is just the beginning. Focus on your core customers, the ones who believe in your vision. Get them excited, get them talking, and let them help you spread the word. Reinvest revenue back into your business. Hire more people, expand marketing efforts, and continue to innovate. Be willing to adapt and evolve to stay ahead of the curve. There you have it, the 8 essential steps to building a business from the ground up. Building a successful business takes hard work, dedication, and hustle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on building and growing your business. Now go out there and make it happen.